I drive this boat a lot like I wrap my Christmas presents, with a lot of scotch. Tape. Scotch tape. All right, everyone please make sure to remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times. Hands and arms inside the boat at all times. To supervise your children, we're clear, and we're off. Like a boat full of people. Sorry, I'm really bad at analogies. Don't wake up on the dock. Wake up over there. You're not gonna see them for at least 2 weeks. I'm kidding, you're never gonna see them again. Welcome aboard the world famous Jingle Cruise. My name is Skipper Sean. I'll be your host for as far as we get. We're now entering the Amazon rainforest. Here in the Amazon rainforest, going up to 365 days a year. By my calculations, that is almost every other day. If you look off to either side, you'll see some of our humbugs. And if you listen really closely, you might hear their calls. Bah! Bah! They're bah humbugs. Now, over here on the left, you're going to see the beautiful Inspiration Falls. And people often ask me, Skipper Sean, why do they call it Inspiration Falls? And they call that because if you stare at it for long enough, it's supposed to inspire you to go deeper and deeper into the jungle. Everyone say, ooh. Everyone say, ah. Now that's inspiration if I've ever heard it. We're now not only changing rivers, but we're changing continents. We're now on the Congo River in the deepest, darkest part of Africa. About to find out just how far our boat can go. Now don't worry folks, I didn't bring any winter clothes, but I checked the forecast and there won't be snow in Africa this Christmas time. Up ahead I arranged a festive holiday party. All my friends said they were going to be here, but looks like everyone must have dashed away to go shopping or something. I'm not really sure, but I think I know what someone's getting for Christmas this year. It's an old tree. You can tell. It's all wrapped up with a boa on top. Now, that was supposed to be 2 partridges and a pair of trees. We'll take what we get around here. We're going to swing by my base camp for some supplies. Oh, no. Looks like those gorillas have broken in and opened up all my Christmas presents early, but that's all right. I was having some trouble getting that Jeep started. Looks like they got it to turn over. We're now turning onto the Nile River, which is the longest river in the world. It just goes on for miles and miles and miles. And if you don't believe me, you're probably in disbelief. That's right. It's pretty difficult to navigate the Nile this time of year. There's a very strong Yule tide. Over here you'll see an African bull elephant. Now I can tell this is an African elephant because we're in Africa. Now they're very rare creatures. I can practically guarantee you'll never see another one ever again. And please ignore that exactly elephant-sized hole over there. Here you'll notice a sandstone rock formation. I like to take the time to point that out because so many people take it for granted. Out on the African veldt, we have some zebras, some impalas, some giraffes, and I don't know them, they must be new. Aww, that pride of lions kindly invited that zebra over for Christmas dinner. How sweet. I'm kidding, he's dead. Tired. Dead tired. But let him rest in peace. Would you look at that? There must be a million rocks on that beach. Over there's my friend Ina. Everyone say hi, Ina. She's one of Santa's little yelpers. We're turning the corner once again. You know what they say? Danger lurks around every corner here in the jungle. And if you look off to the left-hand side, you'll see absolutely nothing. But there's something you don't see every day. But I do every single day. Up ahead, we have the majestic Schweitzer Falls. They're named after that famous North Pole explorer, Dr. Snow Falls. But don't worry about that too much right now. We're going to go over that later. All right, folks. We got a tight turn here. I'm going to need everyone to lean to the right. Lean to the right. Thank you. I couldn't have done it without you. I could have done more. Feel that refreshing mist in your face. It contains up to 900 different types of tropical bacteria. Now, the Jungle Aviation Supply Company is running some fantastic deals this holiday season. Just the other day, we got half off on a plane. Well, we've been in the jungle as long as I have. You begin to smell danger, that is. Looks like we have some hippos over here. They're wiggling their ears to keep warm. They don't want to catch hypothermia. They can be very dangerous, but don't worry, I know how to scare them away. I love you! I love you! Well, it works on all the women in my life anyway. Something tells me we're not out of the woods yet. Must be all these trees around us. Uh-oh. Looks like those chimps have gone bananas and taken over one of our boats. Now, I bet they think they're going to get the last laugh, but we'll just see about that. Now I got the last laugh, and I'll show them. Aw, now these two are catching some butterflies, and that's just adorable. But you know, if you ask me, butterflies just aren't what they used to be. Caterpillars. Now folks, it's time for the most exciting part of our journey. By far the highlight. Ladies and gentlemen, dreamers of all ages, the eighth wonder of the world, the one, the only, the backside of water! Boxing Day miracle. Now, kids, please don't try this at home. You might hit your head on the seat. Don't ask me how I know that. I just do. We're now changing continents once again. We're now on the Congo River in Cambodia. I don't know what's going on over here, but if I'm not mistaken, I think this might be the entrance to Santa's workshop. Okay, never mind, I was mistaken. This is starting to look kind of scary, so you better watch out, and you better not cry. This is going to be painful. It's a rip canal. Good talk. All those baby elephants want for Christmas is their 2-trunk Jeep. Now, there are a couple over here that like to try to squirt the boats, and let's see if we can sneak past them. Hold on. Now, I said to shower us with gifts. That is not what I meant. Oh, everybody, get down, get down. I'm not kidding, I'm not kidding. I'm just kidding. It's a little dry humor for you. A lot of people think it's water that comes out of their trunks, but it's not. Now, during this point in our journey, I like to point out some of my favorite plant life. And I like that green one. Over here, we have our world-famous Jingle Cruise gift shop. This is our gift shop. It is definitely not our lost and found, where we take lost items and resell them for a profit, because that would be unethical. And does that look like an unethical elephant to you? I don't think so. As we come around this last corner, approaching the most dangerous part of our journey, the return to civilization. So as we come around, please make sure to remain seated with those hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times. And do be sure to supervise your children. When the time does come to exit, if you're on this side, exit out that front door. If you're on the jungle side over here, gonna turn around, exit out that back door. Please don't cross those center crates at any time. You'll ruin Christmas. Now, folks, we have laughed together, cried together. We have very nearly died together. We've become really close over the last 10 minutes or so, kind of like a family. So I'm going to tell you the same thing I tell my family every year on December 26th. get out. No, I'm sorry, that was rude. What I meant was, please get out. Thank you very much, folks. Everyone stand up all at once. That helps us balance out the booth. Remember, around that jungle side, how that back door. Don't ruin Christmas by crossing those streets. Watch your head. Watch your step. Make sure to use those handrails. On the way out, I do have a little bit of a Christmas carol for you. Marley was dead to begin with. Dead as a doornail.